Welcome student in Sanjini College of Engineering, Kopargaon in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Subject Electronic System Design. Subject code 304193. Credit Theory 2, Practical 1. Teaching scheme: lecture 2 hours per week, practical 2 hours per week. Examination scheme: oral 50 marks. Course objectives: design working reliable and electronic system to meet specification. Second, inculcate circuit designing skills and ability to use modern design tools. Next, enhance employability based on knowledge and understanding of electronic system design. Next, to learn basics of database system used in design simulation software. To create an interest in the field of electronic design as a prospective career options. Course outcomes: on completion of the course, student will be able to first apply the fundamental concept and working principle of electronic devices to design electronic system. Second, shall be able to interpret data sheets and thus select appropriate components and devices. Third, select appropriate transducer and signal conditioning circuit to design prototype of data acquisition systems. Fourth, design an electronic system subsystem and validate its performance by simulating the same. Shall be able to use EDA tools for circuit schematic and simulation. Create, manage the database and query handling using suitable tools. These are the 6 outcomes. We elaborate all these 6. Now course contents. So first unit is the design of SMPS. SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. General block diagram of SMPS, advantages of SMPS, comparison between SMPS and linear power supply, basic concept of switching regulator, basic topologies, step down converter, step up converter, flyback converter, forward converter, performance parameter of SMS, performance parameter of SMPS, then selection criteria of switching element, switching diode, filter capacitors and inductor, PWM circuits, high frequency transformer design steps only, and last one is the protect circuits of SMPS, protection circuits for SMPS. So these are the contents of unit number 1. Unit number 2 will discuss in the coming lecture, that is design of data acquisition system. So I will not read this all the details of the rest of the units because we are starting the unit number 1 today. Unit number 3 we starting the introduction to DBMS and SQL RDBMS. Next one is design of communication systems, and last unit 5th number is the PCB design. So like these are the 5 units. For this subject we have to use these textbooks: switching power supply design, Abraham Publication is Tata McGraw-Hill. Next one is the Measurement, Instrumentation, Sensors Handbook, John Webster, CRC Press. Next one is the Reference Manual for MySQL, SQL, Oracle for relational databases. Then fourth one is Roger by John Wiley Sons. Then reference books, Practical Design of Power Supplies, Ron Lang. Publication is John Wiley and Sons. The Circuit Design Company, elsewhere. Printed Circuit Handbook by publication is the Tata McGraw-Hill and author name is Holmes. Printed Circuit Board, Fabrication and Assembly, Khanpur, and publication is the McGraw-Hill. Majidi, PIC Microcontroller and Embedded System by Pearson. And last one is the Henry Korth, Database System Concept, McGraw-Hill Publications. Thank you.